In this video, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM to understand and analyze images. I'll begin by clicking the Create New button in the top right corner of my dashboard to start a fresh project. While the notebook is being created, I'm getting my image file ready for upload. Once the source menu pops up, I'll click on Upload Files to select the specific image I want to analyze. For this example, I'm selecting a JPEG file that contains a detailed bar chart of AI video tool rankings. You'll see the file appear in the source list on the left side of the screen as it finishes processing. Now that our source is ready, I'll go down to the chat interface at the bottom. I'm going to type a simple request asking the AI to analyze and explain the image, then I'll click the send arrow. You can see the AI working through several stages, including scanning the text, getting the context, and interpreting the data. This process allows NotebookLM to look beyond just the pixels and actually understand the data within the chart. Once it's finished, the AI provides a comprehensive breakdown of the visual content. The generated results explain that the chart compares 8 different AI video generation tools using a GPA-style metric, identifying Google VEO3 as the top-rated tool. To finish, I'll click on the source guide to open the original image, confirming that the AI's analysis is perfectly accurate and easy to follow. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.